Top 5 reasons for putting millets in your meals plan. Indian cuisine has seen significant change recently, while also passionately returning to their origins. We continued looking for classic dishes and ingredients even as we enjoyed our essentials like rice and wheat, and voila! We learned that millets were the diet of our forebears. Since we have learned so much about millet in the past several years, those bland nutritious cereals have returned to our kitchen cupboards. Millets come in a wide variety including ragi, foxtail millet, pearl millet, finger millets, prosa millets, small millets, kodo millets, and barnyard millets. All of these cereals have one trait: a wealth of nourishment. Additionally, the flavor has improved. Today, millets are used to make delightful treats as well as soft bread, gooey porridge, hot kitchens, idlis, and dosas. An indigenous crop to India, millets are tiny, oblong coarse grains with an excellent nutritional profile. It is often considered the poor man's staple cereal because of its low cost. It is a crop that can withstand pests and drought and thrive in inhospitable terrain. Although all millet types are members of the Poaceae family, they vary in kind, color, and other characteristics. Let us check out 4 common millets under consideration. The first is broadleaf foxtail millet and sorghum millet. Foxtail millet and sorghum, which are high in protein and complex carbs, regulates blood sugar fluctuations. It lowers levels of bad LDL cholesterol and raises levels of good HDL cholesterol in the body. Being abundant in iron and calcium, it keeps blood pressure in check and builds bones. Our millet number 2 is finger millet. Rice and wheat can be replaced with finger millets, sometimes referred to as ragi, as a healthier cereal option. It is a gluten-free grain that is rich in protein and amino acids. It is highly helpful in children's growth and brain function. Number 3 millet is pullet millet. Bajra, also known as pearl millet, is beneficial for improving general health since it is rich in minerals including calcium, magnesium, and iron. An abundance of protein and dietary fiber supports weight reduction and aids in the management of diabetes. Our 4th variety is miniature millet known as kutki. As a nutritious alternative to rice, little or kutki is a terrific millet choice for all those fitness fanatics. The presence of fiber, minerals including potassium, zinc, iron, and calcium, as well as vitamin B3, improves the metabolism of fats and the repair of tissues. It also helps in the reduction of cholesterol and the creation of energy. Nutrient information: proteins, dietary fiber, B vitamins, calcium, iron, manganese, magnesium, phosphorus, zinc, potassium, copper, and selenium are just a few of the minerals that millets have in plenty. They also include an abundance of antioxidants, flavonoids, anthocyanins, saponins, and lignans, all of which have remarkable health advantages. Let us check out the top 5 reasons for putting millet in your meal plan. We will try to understand the 5 top health benefits of regular consumption of millet. Reason number 1: controlling blood glucose levels. When compared to wheat and corn, millets have a higher nutritional content, are gluten-free, and have a lower glycemic index, 54 to 68. High quantities of dietary fiber, proteins with all 9 necessary amino acids, vitamins, and minerals all contribute to the stabilization of blood sugar levels. Millets can be included in a diabetic patient's balanced diet to lower blood sugar and improve insulin sensitivity. Reason number 2 is help with losing weight. For anyone trying to lose weight and drop a few extra pounds, millets are a godsend. The BMI of obese persons can be significantly reduced by including millets in the normal diet, such as millet flour, or by eating millets for breakfast. Daily substitution of millet for rice can enhance intestinal health, reduce fat storage, and aid in long-term weight loss. Reason number 3 is for a healthy and strong heart. Beta-glucans, flavonoids, anthocyanidins, tannins, lignans, and polycosanols are just a few of the outstanding antioxidants found in millets. These antioxidants are essential for decreasing total and LDL cholesterol as well as for keeping blood arteries healthy and removing clots, which reduces the risk of heart disease and stroke. Reason number 4 is it combats cancerous cells. Research has shown that millets, including the foxtail and pro-so kinds, are efficient at slowing the formation of malignant cells in a variety of tissues. Millets include phytochemicals that have antiproliferative properties and reduce the growth of cancer cells in the colon, breast, and liver without harming healthy cells. Reason number 5 is it facilitates digestion. Millets are a rich source of dietary fiber, which helps the digestive system function better. It treats irregular bowel movements, gas, bloating, and cramps. It also strengthens the immune system and enhances the general health of other crucial organs including the liver and kidneys. These grains are two categories of millets. They are often called plain grains and husked grains. Type 1 plain grains, ragi, jowar, and bajra are examples of naked grains since they lack the hard, inedible husk that covers most millets. These millets' key selling point is that they don't need to be processed after harvest and may be eaten straight away. Therefore, these millets are being grown in large quantities. Type 2 grain husks. Before cooking, the inedible seed covering that is present on husked millets must be removed. These grains go through a distinct hulling procedure to remove the husks. Once handled by hand, it is now handled automatically. This group includes kodo millets, small millets, and foxtail millets. Conclusion. In conclusion, the abundance of minerals and fiber found in millet helps to increase metabolism and improve heart health. Include millet in your diet plan. It will help you manage blood pressure and diabetes and encourage weight reduction. It is also a nutritious complement to your meal plan. If you are into farming, go for millet cultivation, because it is also good for the environment as the crops are rain-fed, pests do not like them and they thrive without pesticides. Thank you for watching the video. Please share this with as many friends as possible for their benefit and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching.